everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to recover forgotten Instagram password. In order to learn doing so, watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. To recover your forgotten Instagram password, go to your web browser, type www.instagram.com, enter. You've reached the sign-in page. Type in your username, email or phone number first. And since we don't know what the password is, click on Forgot Password. Enter your username. Again, tap on Send Login link. And a code has been sent to your mobile number. A link has been sent to your mobile number. Type the link on your search box. Enter. And you can type in a new password here. Choose the password which is easier for you to guess but not very easy for others to remember. Reconfirm it by typing it again and tap on Reset Password. Your password has been recovered. Now next time you log in, type the same password you just created. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you think it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll see you again with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.